Here. Do you like it here? Aha urahakunda? I very much do. I very much do. Ndahakunda cyane. Where did you learn such English? Where did you learn such English? Icyongereza nk'icyo wakigiye he? I taught myself. I taught myself. Nariyigishije. What are you up to these days? What are you up to these days? Iyi minsi uhugiye mu biki? Nothing special. Nothing special. Nta bidasanzwe. When did you finish your studies? When did you finish your studies? Warangije amasomo ryari? I finished my studies last year. I finished my studies last year. Narangije amasomo umwaka ushize. Do you know each other? Do you know each other? Muraziranye. Sure, we work together. Sure, we work together. Yego, dukora hamwe. How did you know each other? How did you know each other? Mwamenyanye ute? We used to work together. We used to work together. Twarakoranye. How did you two know each other? How did you two know each other? Mwembi mwamenyanye mute? We went to the same school. We went to the same school. Twize hamwe. What brings you to Rwanda? What brings you to Rwanda? Niki kikuzanye mu Rwanda? I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. Ndi mu karuhuko. Why did you come to Rwanda? Why did you come to Rwanda? Kuki waje mu Rwanda? I came here to work. I came here to work. Naje gukora. How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? Umaze igihe kingana iki utuye aha? I've only just arrived. I've only just arrived. Nibwo nkihagera. How long are you planning to stay here? How long are you planning to stay here? Urateganya kumara igihe kingana iki hano? I think it's another year. I think it's another year. Ntekereza ko ari undi mwaka. What do you like about here? What do you like about here? Niki ukundira ha? This place has got a nice weather. This place has got a nice weather. Aha hantu hagira ikirere cyiza. Do you live alone? Do you live alone? Uribana? No, I have a roommate. No, I have a roommate. Oya, mfite uwo tubana. What's your email address? What's your email address? Email yawe ni iyihe? It's karekezi@hotmail.com. It's karekezi@hotmail.com. Ni karekezi@hotmail.com. Could I take your phone number? Could I take your phone number? Byashoboka ko mumpa imero yanyu. It's no problem. It's 07280000427. It's no problem. It's 07280000427. Nta kibazo. Ni 0728000427. Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Uba kuri Facebook? No, I don't use it. No, I don't use it. Oya, ntabwo nyikoresha. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Ufite abo muva inda imwe? No, I'm the only child. No, I'm the only child. Oya, ndi ikinege. Do you have any children? Do you have any children? Ufite abana? I don't have any children. I don't have any children. Nta bana ngira. Are your parents still alive? Are your parents still alive? Ababyeyi bawe baracyariho? Yeah, I have them both. Yeah, I have them both. Yego, bombi ndabafite. Are you seeing someone? Are you seeing someone? Hari uwo uri gushaka? Yeah, I'm seeing someone. Yeah, I'm seeing someone. Yego, hari uwo ndi gushaka. What do you like doing in your spare time? What do you like doing in your spare time? Ukunda gukora iki mu gihe cy'akaruhuko? I love watching movies. I love watching movies. Nkunda kureba filime. Do you play any sport? Do you play any sport? Hari siporo ujya ukora? No, I'm not a sport guy. No, I'm not a sport guy. Oya, ntabwo nkunda siporo. What sort of music do you like? What sort of music do you like? Ni ubuhe bwoko bw'umuziki ukunda? I listen any kind. I'm not a picky person. I listen any kind. I'm not a picky person. Numva ubwoko bwose, ntabwo ntoranya. What line of work are you in? What line of work are you in? Ni akahe kazi ukora? I'm in business. I'm in business. Nkora ubucuruzi. Who do you work for? Who do you work for? Ukorera nde? I work for myself. I work for myself. Ndikorera. Where do you work? Where do you work? Ukora he? I work in a secret service. I work in a secret service. Nkora mu kigo gishinzwe ubutasi. What do you study? What do you study? Wiga iki? I'm studying economics. I'm studying economics. Niga icungamutungo. Which university are you at? Which university are you at? Uri mu yihe kaminuza? I'm in Makerere University. I'm in Makerere University. Ndi muri kaminuza ya Makerere. Which year are you in? Which year are you in? Uri mu mwaka wa kangahe? I'm in final year. I'm in final year. Ndi mu mwaka usoza amashuri. Do you go to university? Do you go to university? Wize kaminuza? I went to University of Rwanda. I went to University of Rwanda. Nize muri kaminuza y'u Rwanda. Which year are you in? Which year are you in? Uri mu mwaka wa kangahe? I'm in final year. I'm in final year. Ndi mu mwaka usoza amashuri. Do you go to university? Do you go to university? Wize kaminuza? I went to University of Rwanda. I went to University of Rwanda. Nize muri kaminuza y'u Rwanda. How many more years do you have to go? How many more years do you have to go? Usigaje imyaka ingahe? I have 1 year ahead to finish. I have 1 year ahead to finish. Mfite umwaka umwe imbere ngo ndangize. What do you want to do when you finish? What do you want to do when you finish? Ushaka kuzakora iki nurangiza? I don't know what I want to do after college. Sinzi icyo nzakora nindangiza ishuri. What religion are you in? What religion are you in? Uba muri he dini? I'm in Church of Christ. I'm in Church of Christ. Ndi muri Church of Christ. Do you believe in Holy Spirit? Do you believe in Holy Spirit? Mwizera umwuka wera? Of course we do. Of course we do. Yego rwose turawizera. Can I buy you a drink? Can I buy you a drink? Nkugurira icyo kunywa. I would appreciate. I would appreciate. Byanezeza. Are you on your own? Are you on your own? Wisohokanye cyangwa se uri wenyine? No, I have a partner. No, I have a partner. Oya, mfite uwo turi kumwe. Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Watwiyungaho cyangwa mwatwiyungaho? Sure. Yego. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Ukunda kuza hano cyangwa se mukunda kuza hano? Not very much. Not very much. Si cyane. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Nibwo bwa mbere wagera hano? I think this is my third time. I think this is my third time. Ntekereza ko iyi ari inshuro ya gatatu. Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Aha wari warigeze uhagera? No, I'm new here. No, I'm new here. Oya, ndi mushya hano. What do you think of this place? What do you think of this place? Aha hantu urahabona ute? It's a very good place. It's a very good place. Ni ahantu heza. Can I walk you home? Can I walk you home? Nkwerekeze imuhira. I want to walk alone. I want to walk alone. Shaka kugenda njyenyine. When can I see you again? When can I see you again? Nzongera kukubona ryari? You have my number. Call me sometime. You have my number. Call me sometime. Uzampa ufite nimero yanjye. Uzampamagare. What will you be doing this evening? What will you be doing this evening? Uraza kuba uri gukora iki uyu mugoroba? I will go in evening service. I will go in evening service. Ndajya mu materaniro y'umugoroba. Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? Umaze igihe kirekire utegereje. I have been here since morning. I have been here since morning. Nari ndi hano kuva mu gitondo. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Uzi aho igihe kigeze? It's almost 3. It's almost 3. Ni nko mu masaha 9. Can you put the light on? Can you put the light on? Wacana itara? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. Yego, nta kibazo. Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to watch a movie? Ushaka kureba filime? No, I prefer football. No, I prefer football. Oya, mpisemo kureba umupira w'amaguru. Do you want to go for a drink sometime? Do you want to go for a drink sometime? Urashaka ko igihe kimwe twazajya gufata rimwe? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Icyo gitekerezo ni nyamibwa. Would you like to join me for a coffee? Would you like to join me for a coffee? Wanyiyungaho tugasangira agakawa? Sounds great. Sounds great. Ndumva ari sawa. Do you live on your own? Do you live on your own? Uribana? I live with other person. I live with other person. Mbana n'undi muntu. What's your email address? What's your email address? Email yawe ni iyihe? I don't have one. I don't have one. Ntayo ngira. Where is the ticket office? Where is the ticket office? Nihe batangira amatike? It's near that lady. It's near that lady. Ni hafi yuriya mumama. Why are you coming back? Why are you coming back? Kuki uri kugaruka? The flight has been cancelled. The flight has been cancelled. Urugendo rwasubitswe. How long does your journey take? How long does your journey take? Urugendo rwawe rutwara igihe kingana gite? It takes me 7 hours in a bus. It takes me 7 hours in a bus. Rumfata amasaha 7 muri bisi. Have you ever been to USA? Have you ever been to USA? Wari wagera muri Amerika? I've never been there, but I would love to. I've never been there, but I would love to. Sindahagera ariko ndabishaka. Do you enjoy learning and speaking English? Do you enjoy learning and speaking English? Wishimira kwiga no kuvuga Icyongereza? I very much do. I very much do. Biranezeza cyane. Why are you learning English anyway? Why are you learning English anyway? Ese ubundi kuki uri kwiga Icyongereza? I am planning to go abroad. I am planning to go abroad. Ndateganya kujya hanze y'igihugu. Don't you think you are ready to learn it? Don't you think you are ready to learn it? Ese ntabwo utekereza ko wakerewe kukiga? No, it's never too late to learn. No, it's never too late to learn. Oya, kwiga ntibijya bikererwa. How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak? Wabasha kuvuga indimi zingahe? I know 3 languages well. I know 3 languages well. Nzi indimi 3 neza. What does your father do? What does your father do? So akora iki? My father is a soldier. My father is a soldier. Papa ni umusirikare. Do you think you will be a soldier too? Do you think you will be a soldier too? Ujya utekereza ko nawe uzaba umusirikare? I used to, but today I don't. I used to, but today I don't. Najyaga mbitekereza ariko sinkibitekereza. What changed your mind on that? What changed your mind on that? Niki cyatumye uhindura ibitekerezo? Everything changes. I changed as well. Nta kidahinduka, nanjye narahinduye. Do you believe in ghosts? Do you believe in ghosts? Wizera ko imizimu ibaho? I've never seen one, so I don't. I've never seen one, so I don't. Ntawe ndabona, kubw'ibyo simbyizera. What things do you do with your family? Ni ibiki ukora n'umuryango wawe? There are many. I can't say them all. There are many. I can't say them all. Ni byinshi, ntabwo nabivuga byose. What do you like the most? What do you like the most? What do you like the most? Niki ukunda kurusha ibindi? Going on vacation is what I like the most. Going on vacation is what I like the most. Kujya mu karuhuko nibyo nkunda cyane. What about you? What about you? Naho wowe? I just like staying at home. I just like staying at home. Njye nkunda kuguma imuhira. Do you have a best friend? Do you have a best friend? Ufite inshuti magara? Yeah, I have a 3. Yeah, I have a 3. Yego, mfite 3. What do you do at the weekends? What do you do at the weekends? Ukora iki muri weekend? I take time to relax. I take time to relax. Fata umwanya wo kuruhuka. What is your daily routine? What is your daily routine? Ni ibihe bikorwa ukora buri munsi? It's going to work and coming back home. It's going to work and coming back home. Ni ukujya gukora nkagaruka mu rugo. Do you buy things online? Do you buy things online? Ujya ugura ibintu kuri murandasi? I sometimes do. Rimwe na rimwe ndabikora. When do you like to listen to music? Ni ryari ukunda kumva umuziki? Evening is the best time for me. Evening is the best time for me. Nimugoroba nicyo gihe kiza kuri njye. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Ukora iki iyo ufite umwanya? I read books and watch movies. I read books and watch movies. Nsoma ibitabo nkareba na filime. Do you enjoy horror movies? Do you enjoy horror movies? Ukunda filime z'ikikango? I don't. I like romantic movies. I don't. I like romantic movies. Ntabwo nzikunda. Nkunda filime z'urukundo.